A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will start second lecture of chapter straight line. So class, in previous lecture I have discussed sequence and series and I have completed the topics related to straight line in first lecture. Area of triangles, distance formula, section formula, internal division formula and midpoint formula also I have completed, and collinear point is also completed. Now in today lecture I will discuss slope of a line. Slope of a line. Now heading is slope of a line. See, slope of a line. Let capital L be a line represent in xy plane. Making an angle of theta with the positive direction of x-axis. Suppose this is the axis, x-axis and y-axis. Now this is the line that makes it an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. Now, or then the slope of a line L is denoted by small letter m of English alphabets and defined by the tangent value of theta such that m is equal to tan theta. This is the formula to calculate the slope of line. This is the formula to calculate the slope of line. See, now I will come to the next topic, case 1, case 2 related to slope of a line. See, case 1. Case 1, when the line L is parallel to x-axis, the line is parallel to x-axis. In case, suppose this is the axis x axis, y axis, origin, and this is the line. This is parallel to x axis. In case here theta is equal to 0 degree, that is theta is equal to 0 degree, this implies the slope of line parallel to x axis, that is m is equal to tan theta means tan of 0 degree, and the result is 0. So this is the condition for lines are said to be parallel to x axis in case slope will be equal to 0. Now case 2. See case 2. Case 2 is when the line L is perpendicular to x axis, line L is perpendicular to x axis in case this is x axis, this is y axis, this is intersection. Perpendicular to x axis means this is the line L, and here is theta is equal to 90 degree. Perpendicular to x axis means the line will be parallel to a y axis, that is theta is equal to 90 degree. Now slope of line perpendicular to x axis, that is m is equal to tan of 90. This implies m is equal to infinity or 1 by 0. So this is the condition for lines are perpendicular to x axis or parallel to y axis. See, now I will come to the next heading. The next heading is equation of line. Equation of line. In slope intercept form. Heading is equation of line in slope intercept form. Now we are going to find out the equation of line in slope intercept form. See, equation of line in slope intercept form. Now let L be any line represent in xy plane which makes an angle of theta with the positive direction of x-axis, theta with the positive direction of x-axis. See, and cuts y-axis at a point q such that q coordinate is 0, c. In bracket you can write this is y intercept. This is y intercept. Now see, we have considered a line L represent in Cartesian plane xy and this line is making an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis and cuts the y-axis at a point q having coordinate 0, c. Let P be any point on line such that P coordinate is x, y. We have considered any point P x, y. Now we can write the slope of line. The slope of line L, that is m is equal to tan theta. Consider equation 1. Now draw the perpendicular from P on x-axis. Suppose you are going to draw perpendicular from P on x-axis, suppose PM, and the length of PM, you know, PM is equal to y from figure. PM is equal to y. Now a line parallel to x-axis and passing through points Q. This length is C from figure. So OQ is equal to C from figure. Now suppose this is intersection N, so PN length will be y minus C. This length is y minus C, this length is x. Now by the property of corresponding angle, this angle is theta. So from figure, in triangle you can write, in triangle QNP, tan theta we can write y minus c upon x. Consider equation 2. Now from equation 1 and 2 we can write y minus c by x is equal to m. This implies y is equal to mx plus c. This is the equation of line in slope intercept form. See, this is the equation of line in slope intercept form. See, this is the formula where c is y intercept, m is the slope of a line, and y is equal to mx plus c is the equation of line in slope intercept form. Now class, this topic is completed. Now I will come to the next topic, the slope of line in terms of coordinates, or the slope of line passing through 2 points. Now see, heading is slope of a line, slope of a line passing through 2 points. Slope of a line passing through 2 points. Now see, let us consider L be any line represent in xy plane let L be any line represent in xy plane passing through two points, passing through 2 points. P having coordinate x1 comma y1 and q coordinate x2 comma y2. Suppose this is the line L that passing through 2 points P and Q. P coordinate is x1 comma y1, Q coordinate is x2 comma y2. Now we have to find their slope. Suppose and makes an angle of theta with positive x axis. Suppose this is angle theta. Now you have to draw the perpendicular from P and Q. Suppose this is the perpendicular drawn from P and Q on x axis. This is M and this is N. Now a line parallel to x axis and passing through point P cuts the line QM at a point S. Now by the property of corresponding angle, this angle will be equal theta. And now in triangle, PSQ such that angle PSQ is equal to 90. So tan theta will be equal to QS upon PS, and QS length from figure we can write y2 minus y1, and PS length we can write x2 minus x1. Now QS length is y2 minus y1 whole upon x2 minus x1, and you know tan theta value is m, this is the slope. So m is equal to, here you can write, since m is equal to tan theta, consider equation 2 and equation 1, then from equation 1 and equation 2. From equation 1 and equation 2, you can get the values of m, and m value will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Now this is the formula. This is the formula. Now this topic is completed. See. Now I will come to the next topic. The next topic is equation of line passing through a single point having slope given. New heading is equation of line passing through a single given point having slope. Equation of line passing through a given point with slope m, or this statement we can write point slope form. This statement is also known as point slope form. Now let us consider, let a line L represent in xy plane which makes an angle of theta with positive x-axis and passing through a given point. Passing through a given point P having coordinate is x1 comma y1. Now suppose this is the line L passing through point P having coordinate x1 comma y1. Suppose this is point P given point x1 comma y1, and this line is making an angle theta, and this is q variable point, suppose x comma y. So now from this figure it is clear that when you will draw perpendicular from P, suppose Pn, and this is suppose Qn, Qm, and a line parallel to x-axis and passing through point P, this will form a triangle, suppose this is R. So in triangle PQR you can take angle QPR is equal to theta by property of corresponding angle. This angle will be equal to theta. Therefore, slope of line L, that is m, is equal to tan theta. And from triangle, or in triangle PRQ, angle PRQ is equal to 90. Tan theta we can write QR upon PR, and QR result we can write y minus y1 upon x minus x1. Consider equation 2, this is equation 1. Now from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, m is equal to y minus y1 whole upon x minus x1. This implies y minus y1 is equal to m in bracket x minus x1. Now this is the formula of point slope form. Equation of line passing through a single point having slope is given. This is the formula. Now see.